Imagine a volcano, not just any volcano, but one destined to etch its mark in history. This is Krakatoa, a volcanic island nestled in the Sunda Strait between Java and Sumatra, Indonesia. For centuries it slumbered, a silent giant amidst a bustling maritime route. Little did the world know, beneath the surface a fiery drama was brewing, one that would culminate in a cataclysmic eruption in 1883. The events of that year would reverberate across the globe, leaving an enduring legacy on both the natural world and human history. Krakatoa's story is not just about destruction, it's about the immense power of nature and the delicate balance of life on Earth. It's a story of how a single event can impact the entire planet, influencing weather patterns thousands of miles away. Most importantly, it's a story that reminds us of the importance of understanding and respecting the forces that shape our world. The first signs of Krakatoa's awakening appeared in May 1883 with plumes of ash and steam erupting from the volcano, painting the sky with ominous brushstrokes. These early rumblings were a mere prelude to the catastrophic events to come. On August 26, the volcano unleashed a series of massive eruptions, each one more powerful than the last. The sound of these explosions was deafening, heard as far away as Perth, Australia, over 2,000 miles distant. The force of the eruptions ejected massive amounts of volcanic material into the atmosphere, shrouding the surrounding region in darkness. Ash rained down from the sky, blanketing the landscape like a thick layer of snow. Pumice, lightweight volcanic rock, filled the air and choked the surrounding seas, hindering navigation and disrupting trade routes. The very air grew thick with volcanic gases, making it difficult to breathe. The most devastating consequence of Krakatoa's eruption was not the eruption itself, but the monstrous tsunamis it generated. These towering walls of water, some reaching heights of over 100 feet, were triggered by the collapse of the volcano's cone into the sea. They raced across the Sunda Strait, obliterating coastal towns and villages in their path. The waves traveled thousands of miles, reaching as far as the Arabian Peninsula and even South America. The human toll of the tsunamis was staggering. Over 36,000 people lost their lives, entire communities wiped out in an instant. Ships were ripped from their moorings and tossed about like toys, some carried miles inland. The once familiar coastline was reshaped, forever altered by the destructive power of the waves. The sheer scale of devastation left an indelible mark on the region, a stark reminder of nature's raw power. Section 4. A Shroud Over the Sun. The Global Impact. The effects of Krakatoa's eruption were not confined to the immediate vicinity. The massive amount of volcanic material ejected into the atmosphere had a profound impact on the global climate. Fine ash particles remained suspended in the upper atmosphere for years, acting like a giant sunshade, reflecting sunlight back into space. This led to a drop in global temperatures, resulting in what is known as a volcanic winter. The volcanic winter caused unusual weather patterns around the world. Sunsets were vividly colored for months, a result of the ash scattering sunlight. Cooler temperatures impacted agricultural yields in some regions, leading to hardship and famine. The eruption served as a stark reminder that seemingly isolated natural events can have far-reaching consequences, impacting the lives of people across the globe. Section 5. From the ashes, Anak Krakatau rises. In the aftermath of the 1883 eruption, Krakatoa appeared to be gone, reduced to a collection of small islands. However, the volcanic forces that had slumbered for centuries were not extinguished. In 1927, a new volcanic cone emerged from the sea in the same location, a testament to the restless nature of our planet. This new volcano, named Anak Krakatau, meaning Child of Krakatoa, has continued to grow and erupt ever since. Anak Krakatau's emergence reminds us that the Earth is a dynamic and ever-changing system. The forces that created Krakatoa are still active today, shaping the landscape and reminding us of the incredible power that lies beneath our feet. Scientists continue to monitor Anak Krakatau closely, studying its activity to learn more about volcanic processes and the potential risks of future eruptions. Section 6. Echoes of the Past. Krakatoa and Thera. Krakatoa's story, though dramatic, is not unique. Throughout history, volcanic eruptions have shaped our planet and impacted human civilization. One such eruption occurred thousands of years ago, an eruption so massive it is believed to have helped shape the course of Western civilization, the eruption of Thera. The Thera eruption, which occurred around 1600 BC, devastated the Minoan civilization, a powerful maritime culture based on the island of Crete. Like Krakatoa, Thera generated massive tsunamis that swept across the Mediterranean Sea, causing widespread destruction. The eruption's impact on climate and agriculture is believed to have contributed to the decline of the Minoan civilization, paving the way for the rise of the Mycenaean Greeks. Section 7. Living with Giants. Lessons from Volcanic Fury. Krakatoa and Thera serve as powerful reminders of the awesome power of nature and the importance of understanding and respecting the forces that shape our planet. While we cannot prevent volcanic eruptions, we can learn from them. By studying these events, we can better prepare for future eruptions, mitigating their impact on human life and property. Today, scientists around the world are working to improve our understanding of volcanic processes and develop early warning systems to provide timely alerts of potential eruptions. By investing in research and preparedness, we can learn to live in harmony with these giants, respecting their power while minimizing the risks they pose to human societies. Krakatoa and Thera, though devastating, offer valuable lessons for humanity. Lessons about our planet, our vulnerability, and our resilience in the face of nature's fury.